Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Julie and my channel is based on me running my Jtru design business on Etsy, and I also make DIY tutorials on how to make party decorations and gifts for people, so feel free to check those videos out. So as usual, I will be taking you guys through the orders I do and how I package them and get them sent out. So hopefully you enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's begin. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, then I would really appreciate it if you can hit the like button down below, just so that my video can reach out to more people and my channel can get more exposure from doing that. Thank you all so much. If you guys have watched my last studio vlog, you would have known that I showed you guys some of these ghost cupcake toppers that I made a couple of years ago, and I've not sold any, but funnily after that, a few days later, I got my first order. So the customer ordered a pack of 12 and I'm just going to package it up right now. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video, and to be honest, I have recorded all those footages quite some time ago, but I've had a bit of problem with my Cricut design, and I was meant to release my video a few weeks ago, but everything had just got on top of me. So what happened is that my Cricut design space had a problem, so I tried to sign in and it wouldn't let me sign in. It came up with a blank screen, so I tried to contact the Cricut design team and see what the problem was, and they tried to guide me through how to clear the cache and uninstall and reinstall it, and it still didn't work. So they tried to forward it to their team to have a look at it, and they never got back to me in the end. So I'm thinking, I don't know who else has this problem. Have you ever experienced this problem? If you have, then let me know in the comments down below, because that would be really helpful. And I was considering to restore my Mac laptop, just maybe because it has a bug and my Cricut design no longer works on my laptop. So that is another option, but before I can do that, I have to move all my files over to my hard drive, and then I'm able to do it. It's just a long process. I mean, I'm currently relying on my mobile phone to cut all my designs out, and obviously I can't access my fonts, which it's on my laptop. So what I have to do is illustrate everything, then send it over to my email, and then I have to open the email through my phone and attach the design to my Cricut design. Yeah, it's just long even just hearing it, right? But yeah, I'll let you guys know how I get on with that, because at the moment I'm busy just sorting everything out, my life. In the next few weeks my life will change completely, all to be revealed, so hold tight. I'm hoping you guys will stay with me, and I can still upload studio vlogs and DIY videos as regularly as possible. Just wanted to say thank you all so much for supporting me and always leaving me lovely comments. I really appreciate that, and it's really nice to interact with you guys. If you have any questions about my business or the type of materials I use, leave it in the comments down below. I will answer them for you. And just before I go, I am currently on 290 Etsy listings, so it is climbing up slowly. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and please like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.